Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that a lot of you have been asking. Does HoneyBook have an app? Before I get into that, I want to take a moment to talk about why I'm so passionate about HoneyBook. I've been using it for years now, and it's really helped me to streamline my business and get more organized. I love that it's easy to use, and that it has all the features I need to run my business effectively. So, does HoneyBook have an app? The answer is yes. And it's a great app too. HoneyBook app features. Here are some of the features that I love about the HoneyBook app. Easy to use. The app is very user-friendly, and it's easy to get up and running quickly. Mobile-friendly. The app is designed for use on mobile devices, so you can access it from anywhere, at any time. All the features you need. The app has all of the same features as the HoneyBook website, so you can manage your clients, projects, and invoices on the go. Offline access. The app allows you to access your data even when you're offline, so you can stay productive no matter where you are. Push notifications. The app will send you push notifications when you have new clients, projects, or invoices. How to use the HoneyBook app. Using the HoneyBook app is easy. Simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play, and then sign in with your HoneyBook account. Once you're signed in, you can start using the app to manage your clients, projects, and invoices. You can also create new proposals, send invoices, and track your payments. HoneyBook app benefits. There are a number of benefits to using the HoneyBook app. Here are a few of the most important. Stay organized. The app helps you to stay organized and on top of your work. Access your data from anywhere. The app allows you to access your data from anywhere, at any time. Save time. The app can help you to save time by automating a number of tasks. Improve your productivity. The app can help you to be more productive by giving you access to all of your tools in one place. If you're a HoneyBook user, I highly recommend downloading the app. It's a great way to stay organized and productive on the go. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using the HoneyBook app. Make sure that your app is up to date. Use the app regularly to get the most out of it. Take advantage of the app's features, such as push notifications and offline access. If you have any questions or problems, contact HoneyBook support. If you're not already using HoneyBook, I encourage you to give it a try. You can sign up for a free trial at honeybook.com. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.